Everyone, I'm Khushbu Vansal. I'm your mathematics teacher. So, I'm super excited to learn and fun with you. So, are you ready now? We are going to learn about the BODMAS rule. So, are you ready to solve the puzzle? Because math is like a puzzle ever. So, let's we get started to learn about BODMAS rule. So, are you ready, kids? So, let's start. So, first of all, we see what is BODMAS. So, recite with me. BODMAS: B for bracket, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So, you are thinking, why we need BODMAS? So I tell you, whenever we see different sign in same mathematics problem, so you will get confused. What sign we need to solve first? So we see the order, we see the right order and solve the, then after we solve the problem in right order. So whatever we see the, firstly see the bracket, then after order, square, cube, and we see order plus we need to solve firstly division sign, then after multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Okay, so we need to look for same order. In right order we solve problem, we will get the right answer. Is it clear for you? So let's give start to solve the problem. So here we have given a problem 8 plus 4 in bracket, inside the bracket, multiply by 2. So tell me what we need to solve first. We need to solve first according to the given order of BODMAS. We need to solve first bracket. Is it right? Is it clear? Then after whatever we will get the answer, 8 plus 4 we will multiply with 2. So how much you will get? What will you get? You will get 24. Is it clear for you? So you need to understand bracket, we need to solve bracket first because bracket boss होता है, right? You can understand bracket come first. So let's solve another problem. 10 minus 2 square multiply 3. So what we need to solve first? Tell me what we need to first solve? We need to solve first order, square, cube. Okay, as per the BODMAS rule. So when we solve 2 square, what you will get? You will get 4. 2 square equal to 4. Then after whatever you get 4, you need to, what do you need to solve first? You need to solve first multiply, then after division, multiple subtraction. Okay, so you whatever 2 square you get equal to 4, you need to multiply with 3. Then after you will get what will you get? You will get 12. When you subtract 12 with the 10 minus 12, you will get minus 2. Is it clear for you? Then let's start with another problem. We solve it. 36 multiply 6 multiply 3. So what we need to solve for? You need to solve it first division, then after multiplication. Okay. So we according to the BODMAS rule order. So multiply 36 divide 6, you will get 6. Okay. So you will get 6 multiply 3, you will get 18. Here. Next solve another problem. What you need to solve first? You need to solve first. We look for firstly bracket. You when you solve it, 15 minus 3 you get 12. Square of 12 you will get 144. When we divide 144 divided by 6 you get 24. When you 24, then after you need to add, you will get 28 after adding. Okay, so thank you. So have you enjoyed this class? So let's meet in another class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.